Hey everyone, it's your favorite coach, David Plummer III, Coach DP3, on that morning walk. It's still a little warm in Vegas. It's supposed to be 112 today, but I really wanted to walk outside, not at Planet Fitness. I really wanted to get a really good sweat going on today. Today is day 87 of the 120-day challenge. It's been quite the journey to be able to wake up every day and walk for at least 45 to 60 minutes. And we're almost done. What's that? 33 days left? Just over a month? I think we can finish strong. Yesterday was a good day. I did an 80-minute walk, just at about 5 miles. It really helps when you're not overweight. It helps the ankles, the feet, the knees, the calves, the hamstrings. You're a little bit lighter. Helps the heart out a lot. So I would encourage you, if you're like me, a little bit overweight, just start walking. Watch what you eat. And just start walking. You don't have to walk a lot. When I started this journey, it was a struggle. 15, 20 minutes, I was gasping. Yesterday, an 80-minute walk. That's crazy. But it's amazing what you can do once you put your mind to it. I am so committed to this challenge and this journey. I'm so committed to getting the weight off that that's what I'm willing to do. No compromise, no quit, none of that stuff. Just every morning, getting out and getting that walk in, regardless of what's going on. Now, obviously, there's been really hot days in Vegas. That's when I go to Planet Fitness. Thank you, Planet Fitness. I have a treadmill at home, but it's something about working out in the gym. Bigger treadmill. With that said, I want to talk to you real quick. This won't be a long video. Maybe, I don't know. It's not my... I can tell school's starting back out. Normally when I walk by, there's 1 or 2 cars. Today in the parking lot today, there's about 10 or 12 cars in the parking lot. So they're getting ready for school. So I want to talk to you today. Do you have a favorite time of the year? Favorite months? Favorite seasons? Because we're coming upon my favorite. I actually have 2. But my favorite season, and they combine, they run into each other, it's football season. I'm a huge sports fan anyway, but I'm a huge football fan. I just did a little video the other day in my Detroit Lions gear. Go Lions, Super Bowl bound, Super Bowl champs, February 2027. You heard it first from me. This is my season. We are a football family. My wife, my son, we absolutely love the game of football. So we watch a lot of football. I won't nearly be watching as much as I normally watch because I got a bigger agenda for the last 4.5 months of the year. But this is my favorite time. My other favorite time is Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's why I say they run into each other. I love the holidays. I love the family time. I love what it means. Jesus is the reason for the season. I'm not eating like that anymore, but I might make an exception for Thanksgiving Day because I love me some dressing and mac and cheese and sweet potatoes and obviously turkey and gravy and all the other fixings. But do you have a favorite time of the year? Leave it in the comments section. I'll be interested because we're coming at the end of summer. I know a lot of people love summer. Swimming, it's pool time, it's vacation time, a lot of weddings, kids are out of school, a lot of family activities. I walk by the parks here quite a bit, and you can just see all the family gatherings. So I know that this is a great time. I talked to my neighbor. He loves the winter time because he loves to ski. And he said, David, El Nino is coming in, so we expect to get quite a bit of snow. And he says, I'm buying a pass, and I'll probably ski 100 times. I'm going, wow, that's a lot of skiing. But he said he'll probably ski 100 times. He just drives up to the mountains here in Vegas, and they got some good snow, he said. But that's all I wanted to talk about. Do you have a favorite season, a favorite time of the year? Leave it in the comment section. I'll be curious to see what the outcome is. As you can see how bright that sun is behind me, right? It's bright. This has been your favorite coach, David Plummer III, Coach DP3. As always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. And as always, God willing, I'll see you tomorrow morning on a walk.